Okay, everyone. Here we are talking about the time. Talking about the time. What are the parts of a day? What are the parts of a day? Okay, here we have the morning. What do you do when you go? What is morning? Oh, you go to school. Yes, you start school at 9 o'clock. It depends. Some people start 8, 8, 8, 8:30. Some people 9. Some people are 9:30. Yes, but you go to school in the morning. Yes. What do you do at midday? When it's midday, around 12 o'clock. So, yes, some people have lunch between 2, 1. Yes, at midday have lunch. What do you do in the afternoon? Okay. You come back to school after lunch and you go back to school around 3 o'clock. Yes, you start again school. What do you do in the evening? Oh, yes, when you finish school, you go to the park. Yes, more or less at 6 o'clock, 5:30. Yes, you go to the park. Yes, if it's not raining, of course. And what do you do at night? Well, finally, at night you go to bed after having supper. Yes, you go to bed around 9, 9:30. It depends. Okay, yes. So morning, midday, afternoon, evening, and night. Yes, this is the correct order of these parts of the day. Okay, telling the time. How do we tell the time? When someone asks you, what time is it, please? Okay, we use the clock, of course. Here it is, the clock. Oh, but there are no hands to tell the hour. Okay, in the clocks, there are two hands. Oh, no, like this. No, no, no. Go away. There are two hands, like this. Yes. The minute hand, which is longer, long, yes. And the hour hand, which is shorter. Yes, this is the hour hand, and this is the minute hand. Get the short hand, the hour hand is pointing to 12, and the long hand is pointing to 3. Okay, so we don't know the time yet, but we'll know. We will know. Okay. First of all, let's start with o'clock. Okay, it's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock. Remember the song? Okay, so how do we know the time is o'clock? Okay, remember the numbers on the clock show the time, yes, show the hour, yes. But the minute hand, the long hand, when it's on the number 12, like this, shows that it's o'clock. The hour is o'clock. Okay, so if the long hand, the minute hand, is in the 12, this number that shows the hour is o'clock. So in this case is 5 o'clock. Yes, if I change it to, let's see, this, what time is it now? It's o'clock because I haven't changed the long hand, the minute hand, but the hour hand, yes, has changed. So the number is 7 for the hour and o'clock for the minute hand, 7 o'clock. Good. So when we say half past, what do you mean by half past? How do we know that it's half past? Okay, when the minute hand is on the 6, this, look at this. This is the mid hand, the long hand, yes? Is it on the 6? It's pointing to 6. We say it's 5:30. It's half past, sorry. It's half past. In this case, is 8:30 because the hour hand, the short hand, is pointing to 8. If I change that to, let's see this. What time is it now? It's 10:30. Yes, half past because the minute hand, the long hand, is on the 6, but I've changed the hour hand, and now it's on 10, so it's 10:30. Excellent. More difficult now. Nah, it's not difficult. Quarter past. Quarter past. Oof, what does it mean? When the minute hand, the long hand, is pointing to the number 3, to the 3, we say it's quarter past. Quarter past. Okay? So when if we look at the hour hand, we know that the hour. So now is 8. But because this long hand, the minute hand, is on the 3, we know it is quarter past, and we say quarter past 8. Okay? If we change the hour hand, now is, what time is it now? Quarter past, because I haven't changed this. The minute hand is on the 3, but it's quarter past 10, okay, because this is the hour and this is the minute hand. Okay, quarter past 10. Excellent. More difficult. Quarter to. Quarter to. Quarter to is when the long hand, the minute hand, is pointing to the number 9. Is on the 9. So here we are. It's pointing to 9. So this is quarter to. But what time? What hour, sorry. Well, look at the hour time. The hour hand, sorry. The hour hand is pointing to 7. So we know it's quarter to because the long hand, the minute hand, is at 9, and on the 9 it's quarter to, and look at the number 7. If I change this, if I move it like so, maybe a little bit more. What time is it now? Well, it's quarter to something because the long hand, the minute hand, is on the 9. But look at the hour hand. The short hand is pointing to 4. So it's quarter to 4. Okay? Is it clear? I think so. It's very easy. So, at what time do you wake up? What time is this? Long hand, minute hand pointed to 6, so it has to be half past. Half past, and this is the hour. 8. Half past 8. Excellent. What time do you have breakfast? Oh, look at this. The long hand, the minute hand, is pointing to 9, so it's quarter to. Yes, remember, quarter to. And the short hand, the hour hand, is almost in here, close to 9. Yes, so it's quarter to 9. You have breakfast at quarter to 9. What time do you start school? What time do you start school? Okay, this is easy because the long hand, the minute hand, is at 12. So when the long hand is at 12, it's o'clock. And what time is it? What hour is it? Look at the number of the hour hand. It's 9. So it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Excellent. At what time do you have lunch? What time do you have lunch? Oh. So again, we have the long hand pointing to 12. So it's o'clock. Of course, o'clock. What is the hour? Look at the short hand. The hour hand is pointing to 1. So 1 o'clock. Yes, 1 o'clock. And at what time do you go to sleep? Oh, very easy. Look at the end. The minute hand, the long hand, is pointing to 6. So when it's on 6 is half past. This is half past. And what about the hour? The hour is pointing to 8. Oh, it's half past 8. Excellent!